Here's my new ski helmet. Got a GoPro mounts on the front and on the top with an adjustable bracket that will come down for different views of the GoPro while it's recording. Also, I got the Smith Optics single shot drop-in audio, and in the back here there's a zipper that goes all the way across. The single shot drop-ins speakers pop into here and it zips up, and there's a hole specifically designed with a jack to release it so that you can take it off, take your helmet off, and leave the audio connected. Also, this is compatible with a smartphone. This clips on the front so it's readily accessible, and when you get a phone call while you're listening to music, you just tap this and you can answer the phone. It's got a microphone built into it, and I believe also you can tap it twice and it will pause or fast forward to the next song. If you tap it 3 times, it does another function. It's pretty nice. We're excited about it. The sound quality is fantastic. You can use it for a smartphone or an MP3 player, any type of audio device. The jack's got multiple hookups to control the device. So we're excited about it. Hopefully it'll work out. We get some ski season here starting pretty soon, so we're ready to go.